Okay, so now we are having the first two terms of a geometric progression are 80 and 64. Okay, and they are saying first thing they are saying this one. Okay, so let's interpret this thing that whatever they are giving us, we will note down that thing that they are saying in a GP, which is given over here. In a GP, T1 is given as 80 and T2 equals to 64. These are the two things which are given. Okay. After that, they are saying that the first three terms of this geometric progression are the first 11th term of an arithmetic progression. Find the value of n. Okay. So now, when we are saying, when we are looking at this line, the second line, the first three term of this geometric progression. So G, P, T1, T2, and T3 is in a AP. They are saying it is T1, T11, and Tn. Okay, this is given over here. So I've written it. Now, if I look over here, T1 and T2 is given to me. So what I can do over here, we know that in a GP, T2 divided by T1 gives us R. So what will happen? 64 divided by 80. So when I will simplify it, 64 divided by 80, so dividing by 16, so 16 fours are 64 and 16 fives are 60. So value of R I'm getting over here as 4 over 5. Secondly, the first term was also given, so I'm mentioning that one as A over here. So now this will be A, which is 80, and this is also A, which is also 80. Okay. T2 was also given in GP. T2 was also given, that was 64. And T3, I don't know. So that is going to be AR square, which means A is 80 into 4 over 5 whole square. Okay, which will become 80 into 16 over 25. Okay, this will become 18, 80 into 16 over 25. So when I will simplify it, uh, like 80 into 16, I'm going to simplify 80 divided by 16, 80 divided by 25. First of all, I'm going to simplify. So this will become 5 into 16. Okay, so 256 over 5, that is the value of T3, that is geometric progression. This I have got. Okay. Now T11, the result will be A. A is coming 80 plus 11 means it will be 10T. And for N, it will be 80 plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, this is the scenario we have got. So now they are saying, first of all, we have to only find the value of N. That is the only thing they are giving us. So now what will I do? I will compare these two to form an equation. Then I will compare these two to form an equation. And then I will get the result over here, which is needed. So the first one, which I'm going to work out over here. Okay. So first of all, I'm comparing these two. 64 equals to 80 plus 10D. Okay. First thing, I have compared this one with this one. Okay. So when I will compare it, 64 minus 80 equals to 10D. C. Okay. So minus 8 over 5 equals to D. This is the value of D I'm getting. Okay. Now I will be comparing T3 with Tn over here. Okay. So the value of T3 over here was coming 256 over 6. Sorry, not 6. It is coming. So 256 over 5 equals to, comparing it with this one, 80 plus n minus 1 and value of D, which is coming minus 8 over 5. Okay. So 256 over 5 minus 80 equals to n minus 1 multiplied by minus 8 over 5. So I will take LCM over here. So this will become 256 minus 400 over 5 n minus 1 minus 8 over 5. Okay. So when I will simplify it, I'm going to get minus 256 minus 400 will be minus 44 over 5 n minus 1 into minus 8 over 5. Okay. Multiply sign was over here also, but now I've mentioned it. So now what will happen? 5 is written in the denominator, it will shift over here, and minus 8 is written in the numerator, it will be shifted over here. So minus 144 into this 5 will be written with 144 over 5 into minus 8. Okay, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So, and minus sign will get cancelled. 8 ones are 8, or so 18. Okay, so now I'm getting over here 18 equals to n minus 1. Minus 1 shifted over here. 18 plus 1 equals to n. So n equals to 19 is the final answer which is required over